the other part of the summer workshop, it said create your own original artwork, create your own choreography, create your own piece of music. That was very exciting because I felt my son is very fond of doing his own things his own way and doesn't want to do it anyone else's way. So I thought this was really perfect for him.
So every day is new, it's different, it's exciting. So he's been very happy, and after the first day he got used to it, he wanted to come back.
Vedika really liked the American guitarist yesterday.